Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out, and I just read this and realized that I read it wrong when I bought it, and it is not a tinted moisturizer. I thought it was a tinted moisturizer, but it says it's a tinted primer. Oh, it's from Essence. It's the MySkin Perfector, and it says, let me see what it says. It says Instant Blur Effect Natural Matte Finish. I got the color 30 Medium Beige, and we're going to test it out because I did read on the Ulta site. That's where I got it. It comes in 6 shades and it retails for $5.99. And it says, your skin just better. The Essence MySkin Perfector Tinted Primer are mousse-like tinted primers that create the perfect base for a flawless and long-lasting makeup look. Apply the velvety primer alone to create a smooth, natural look, or apply as a base combination with makeup for a flawless complexion. Available in multiple shades, perfectly match your skin, vegan, paraben-free, oil-free, acetone-free, alcohol-free, no animal testing. So what we're going to do is we're going to try it like a tinted moisturizer, and if it's too thin or it's just not right, we'll go ahead and put a foundation on top of it because I read it wrong. It says it's a primer. But when I tested it on my hand just to check the color, it seemed pretty thick, like it might be just fine by itself. Anyways, that's what we're going to do. So I've already moisturized. I'm not going to do the TikTok method. I'm going to apply this with my finger. And then if we think it's good enough, I'll go over it with another foundation. That's the color. And it is like mousse. Oh, I guess I got to get it in front of my face. It's weird. See how thick it is? So it goes on. But it feels really, remember how I said that Sugar Rush felt? That's what this feels like. Like silky, silky, moussey, smooth. And I put my moisturizer on. And then I was sitting here waiting for it to sink in. And I picked this little red dot right there. It wasn't a red dot. It was barely there till I picked it. That's what happens when you are waiting for something impatiently in front of a 10 times magnified mirror. This is so smooth. This, I think, so far, it doesn't have bad coverage. It's not going to cover that red dot, though. I think this moussey stuff is like perfect for summer. So we're going to test it out. I think I'm not going to put a foundation over it because I like it. And lately, that's what I'm after. I'm after summer stuff. And foundation is just so much heavier. And I'm going to put some powder over this. So even though it's a matte finish, I'm especially with this moussiness to it. I got some on my eyelash. I can see it. I definitely think it will move around if I don't put powder on it. I got it all over. That's what happens when I don't look in the close-up mirror. I like it. It's setting down nicely. Just going back and making sure I have everything blended. I am going to go with a sponge just on these edges. It's just so much easier to blend it in to my hairline and stuff. My eyebrows. It looks great. And for $5.99, it looks really good. Okay, let's go in with some concealer. So I'm going to use my Pat McGrath. Somebody said they wanted me to do a showdown with my Pat McGrath and my Shape Tape. So we'll be doing that. because I thought that's a good idea. I should do that there, and we'll cover that dot. The color I got, it seems like it's a little bit pale, especially since I'm planning on tanning like tonight. But it's not super bad, so I'll probably just bronze it up. So I'm going to grab my sponge. We're going to blend this in. It is super matte. I can feel it drying down to a nice matte finish, which I like. I like the glowy ones too now, though. I used to only want matte ever. And during the summer, it's probably matte. Matte is probably a better option for me. Not that I ever get greasy. I'm way past that. So now we're going to go in and powder it. Although it is dried down really well, I don't really think I need to powder it. It doesn't seem like it's going to move at all. Probably is a great primer. But we're not trying it as a primer. We're trying it just like it is today. We may go in again and try it as a primer. Actually, maybe when I try a new... No, that wouldn't be fair. I was going to say, maybe when I try a new foundation, I'll use this as the primer. But we need to try it with something we already know. And then see if we love it. And then we can start using it with our new stuff. And it does do poreless. It's very smoothing. I'm liking it a lot. All right, let's go in and bronze this up just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to go in with our Dallas blush from Benefit. This is what the package looks like. This is what the blush looks like. It's kind of a blush bronzer, but it's what I like. It just gives you that right in the range kind of glow. I love it. It's been my favorite for quite a while. And we're going to go in with our Dandelion highlight. This is, I think this one is my favorite. This cookie was my favorite forever, and I still like it. This is the cookie, but I've just really been enjoying this one. It's a little bit finer of a powder, and it just, I don't know, it just has the glow I want, and it's so pretty. It's just so pretty. There we go. Okay, I think I'm going to do the bronzer highlight eyes, because that's what I love, and we are not testing eyeshadow today, so this is the one I want to do. So I'm going to use my bronzer in Natural from Bobbi Brown, and I'm just going to throw this up here, out here, real quick, which is the whole reason for doing this, is because it's super quick. This is what I would do every day if I wasn't making videos. If I was a normal person, I would use my bronzer and my highlight every single day because I think it's beautiful. And then, like, for if I was going out special, I'd probably add more liner. So yeah, I'm using my Dandelion highlight for my inner half, 2/3 of my lid, and it just blends right together and looks so amazing. And it's so quick and so easy. And if you remember to spray your face, it lasts really well. I almost never remember to spray my face. Okay, now we're going to do our brows. I'm going to use this new tattoo brow tattoo from Maybelline. And it is in the color Blonde. So, and I know that when you take it out, it looks like a funky color. But when you put it on, it's good. And it's quick, which is the best part. See, it's a lot darker when you put it on. What kind of lipstick do we want? I think I'm going to use my Juicy Lip just because it costed a lot and we need to use it. This is the Juicy Lips from Tarte, and this is the color Orchid. Okay, that's our look for today. What do you think? Oh, I was going to do liner. I almost forgot. All right, we'll use the Tati palette. Someday Tati's coming back. I just know she is. She's going to have 3 kids when she comes back. I hope. No, I don't, because that would be a long time if she waited till then. She's going to have at least 1, though. I really hope she does. So we're going to use the Tati palette. We're just going to use the black in it for our liner, and I'm going to use this really sharp brush. It was a paintbrush. It was a flat paintbrush, and I just went from the metal and cut straight sideways, so it's really dense and pointy and sharp, and I love it for eyeliner, for powdered eyeliner. When I'm using shadow for liner, it's the bomb. And I'm just going to do a quick line. A blurry line. That's kind of what I like to do with powder. It's like a smoky line with a little bit of lift in the outer corner. That's good. That's all I wanted, just a little bit of lift. I'm going to go back in with a smudgy brush. How did I get black all over my hand? Anyways, I'm going to go back in with one of these and just soften the edges of this liner, because I really wanted it to just be a smudgy one. And then, like I said, to bring it up to a nighttime standard, I would probably just use a liquid liner instead, or probably with, because I have worn this all day, and then I would just go back in and freshen it and then add a liquid line. And that is it. That is our look for the day. What do you think? I am completely loving this. This is so smoothing. It went on so perfect. I can't wait to try it as a primer, because it alone is amazing. I may have to go get another one in the next shade darker, because this one is a little pale for when I tan. I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. Did I already say that? I hope so. And I'll show it to you again. It is the Essence MySkin Perfector Tinted Primer. I thought it was a tinted moisturizer, but actually it's good. I'm probably like this even better than the tinted moisturizers I've got, because it dries down matte. It looks really, really, really nice, because I think with it drying down matte is where it really gets rid of the pores and some of the wrinkles. It doesn't accentuate the wrinkles, that's for sure. It's not sinking in at all. It looks really nice. I think I'm definitely going to get... I'm not sure about these eyebrow things anymore, though. I liked them the other day. You never know. So, they look okay on camera, but up close, not so much. I'll have to keep trying it. I think I got too much because they just look dark now. Anyway, I love this. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!